Hello everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our Holly Jolly Christmas kit today, and I am going to create a layout with my favourite photo and my favourite piece of paper. This is called Traditions and it's got this gorgeous wreath on it, and I am going to use that to create kind of like a wreath feel. Pretty quick layout with this. Such a cute photo of Pearl. She's so happy that she has got her eyes closed and she's smiling. I think I used this on a layout last year too. It's one of my favourite photos, so I'm going to scrap it again because I can. So let's get started. First thing is I am going to trim off the edge of paper, and I'm just going to leave that flat, and I'm going to, so I have already fussy cut out a whole bunch of the poinsettias, a whole bunch of the foliage. So this is the kind of like foliage poinsettia, and then I used the dies to cut out a whole bunch of these from the cut apart sheets. I've cut out the watercolor ones. So I've got all of these resources at my side, and then of course a whole bag of creative cuts up here. So I've got stuff everywhere on my desk out of shot that you can't see, and I'm going to use that because I've done all my prep work first to do this layout. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mount my photo up on a piece of card. So I'm just going to glue my photo up on the card so my photo is mounted and raised a little bit, and then I'm going to use that as my guide of where I'm going to stick my foliage and all my berries and all my poinsettia and all my cool stuff that I had in mind when I saw this paper. I want my grain running sideways. You can turn it whatever way you want, and my photo's kind of going to go about here. So all I'm going to do is start using the extra foliage that I've cut out. Some goes some way, some goes the other ways, just to layer it out. Where I think I might like them. And I think that's cool. So I'm literally going to start by just gluing those down. Now I'm just going to use my 450 glue, which is a great glue if you want your projects to last a long time, not just a couple of years. I want this to be like a 3D thing I can hang on my wall. I'm not storing this really in an album, so I'm making mine sit up. You could make this to store an album, please don't get me wrong. You could just have it all flat. There's no problems with that. So this is just going to be all about adding different foliage layers and fun things. We've got 2 more. Cute. Okay, so this die is the poinsettia die, which is this one here. It's an add-on this month. This die has been designed to match these guys. So these are all pretty much, they line up somewhere, the same size. So when you cut these out, you can actually layer with this, not that one, this one. Layer these with this die, which is very cute. So I've already cut some of these out, and we're going to start layering some of these in. I might need to cut a few more of these because I did another layout before and I used some of these on that layout because they're my favorite. So what I'm doing is I'm just curling up the edges of my fussy cut flower here, and I'm just offsetting it, and I'm just gonna start putting that in the layer. It's so beautiful. I love this die on these papers. When we were designing this, I was so excited matching up the die to the papers. I was just like, yep, I know exactly how I'm going to use that to create a layout. I think I'm going to want a fairly big one. So this is actually a different poinsettia, but I think it's going to go underneath there. And then I might start layering some of my berries in. So yes, this was time consuming fussy cutting these out, but I do my fussy cutting at a different time. So I reckon I sat down with Netflix last Saturday night and did this. So I do all my fussy cutting at a different time than what I do my making, if that makes sense. And I really enjoy fussy cutting, so this is my kind of paper. They are so flippin' cute. This layout, these papers, this die, Christmas in general just makes me happy. I love Christmas. I'm one of those sick people, you could say. I'm just going to take that leaf off so I can put it somewhere else. Is my favourite time of year. I love everything about Christmas. I love buying presents for people. I love thinking about the thing that's going to make someone happy, and then finding that absolute perfect gift for someone. I love watching people unwrap their presents that I've bought them. I just love the tree, I love the lights, I love everything about Christmas. I love that it's warm, it's summer, it's everything to me. I love it. So this paper collection, being traditional, is awesome and it just makes me happy. And although I am technically scrapbooking this in August for our October release, because this is going to go on the back of the magazine, I cannot wait. So now I'm just using some of the holly cut out from the papers again, just to add some more layers and texture in, just folding those leaves up as I go. I think we're going to put this layout out at Christmas time as a decoration. Such a cool, fun layout. So when you guys are watching this, it will probably, our advent kit would probably released, I reckon. So the advent kit is what I'm working on next. I'm going to do a layout with that shortly. It is so cool. I cannot wait for you to see the advent kit. It's something I've been working on all year. And I'm stoked to be able to share it with you. It's epic. It's different than last year, but it's still as good in my opinion. Like, it's probably even a little bit better because it's got something for everyone. So if you want an advent kit, you should get onto that because I think it's going to be very popular this year. So I'm just sliding in a couple more of the poinsettias around here because I think I want this guy. I want it to sit on top of my photo there like that. Yes, cute. Alright, so I'm going to get some more of this holly. And I'm going to layer it around the bottom of this poinsettia and a few more just around my page. I've got a couple more berries here I want to slip in. I love also about Christmas family. We have a very traditional Christmas at my house. My mum makes lunch, all the family come. We have a sit down meal for up to 30 people every year for lunch. And then we play our Secret Santa game, which is just the best. It is so much fun. And we just have the best day. Christmas is just the best day. My family, we all generally like each other, all the cousins, and we just support each other. So there's no fighting or anything at Christmas. It's all just love. We just love each other. And I'm probably making some of you guys feel sick now of how much I love Christmas. But it's the best. Here we go. Some more holly. And the red berries. So we don't have any holly over here yet. So let's add some holly in on this side. I actually think it needs to go this side. Yes. I don't think I actually need to fussy cut anything else, which is awesome because I thought for sure I would be fussy cutting some extra foliage. I think I cut out enough. Okay, so next we have got these cutest little holly berry things in the kit. And we're going to put them on. Yeah, I'm thinking there. I'm not normally on the DT to make step-by-step instructions because I am just so busy. But this month, our DT for October, they're working on our advent kit as well. So we've got some of our DT and some guests working on our advent kit, plus working on this. So everybody's on doing something in October, which meant I needed to work on the magazine, which is fine, don't get me wrong, but I'm not used to taking step-by-step photos, so I keep forgetting to stop and take them. I think I like that title. I don't think there's a lot else I'm going to do to this layout. I think it speaks for itself. It's just pretty. Okay, that's it. I think I'm finished. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I have making it for you. I hope you love this collection. I hope if you're like me that just love Christmas and everything traditional Christmas, you're going to love this collection. There will be more videos because I always making videos, so you can subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell notification so you get notified when we make more videos. You will see what I'm up to next, and some of the other girls in the DT will make videos too from time to time, so drop by and see what we're doing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time. Bye.